This is fit for a 2016 and beyond Toyota Tacoma 3rd generation. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Xsporter Pro truck rack. This is a height adjustable truck rack using aluminum alloy construction. It offers 400-pound weight carrying capacity, featuring a 71-inch aerodynamic load bar, using the T-track with the air diffuser to minimize wind noise, asymmetrical bars to help manage airflow, height adjustable in incremental positions. We currently have it at the lowest position. That would be on slide scale number 20. We're using the Thule XK4 adapters to mount directly to the Tacoma track system. You can see here, brackets offer locking security for the bases to the bed rail, as well as locking caps at the end of the uprights to lock it into the base. This position is 22 inches high from the bed rail to the top of the bar. It can be moved up to scale number 30 for 29 inches of bar height. Included with this truck rack are 4 load stops that work with the T-track channel on top of the bar to further secure ladders. The XK4 adapters are sold separately from the 500 XT truck rack. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, pricing, and promotions.